Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and General Knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters and new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 Geography, Chapter 2 Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? The two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation are temperature and rainfall, wherein rainfall influences the rate of weathering and humus formation. Next, write any two reasons for land degradation today. The overuse of chemical fertilizers and deforestation are the two main reasons for land degradation. The growing population and the ever-growing demand has led to large-scale destructions of forest cover and arable land and has created a fear of losing these natural resources. Next, why is land considered an important resource? Land is considered an important resource because it can be put to use for various purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and setting up of industries. Next, name any two steps that the government has taken to conserve plants and animals. The two major steps taken by government to protect and conserve plants, animals, and natural vegetations are national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves are made to protect our national vegetation and wildlife. Awareness programs like social forestry and the tree plantation, Van Mahotsav, are organized to conserve forests, which are valuable natural resources. Next, suggest three ways to conserve water. The three main ways to conserve water are increasing forest cover and other vegetation to slow the surface runoff, replenishing underground water through rainwater harvesting, reducing the loss of water in irrigation and shifting to less water intensive methods of agriculture. Next, tick the correct answer. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Soil texture. Which of the following method is not appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slopes, terrace cultivation? Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? Dispose polypacks after shopping. Next, match the following. So this was column A and this is column B. Column A, land use, protective use of land, humus, organic matter deposited on topsoil, rock dams, prevent soil erosion, biosphere, narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Next, state whether the given statement is true or false. If true, give the reason. Ganga Brahmaputra plain of India is an overpopulated region. True. River valley and plains offer suitable land for agriculture. Hence, they are densely populated. Water availability per person in India is declining. True. Increasing population, increasing urbanization, the rising standards of living and the rising demand for food and cash crops are leading to the shortage in the supply of fresh water. The shortage are either due to drying up of water resources or water pollution. Rows of trees planted in coastal areas to check the wind movement are called intercropping. False. Rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement and protect soil cover. These are called the shelter belts. Human interference and changes of climate can maintain ecosystem. False. Climate change and human interference can cause the loss of natural habitats and hence destroy the ecosystem. So this was chapter 2 of NCERT solution for class 8 geography. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.